Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox. If you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you a collaboration with BeeBeeCraft, and I'm excited at how big this package is. I wasn't expecting it to be this large or this heavy. Oh, that's why. Oh, okay. So I ordered these chains to be able to create some dangles. One of the big sort of roadblocks to creating dangles for me has been having the chain link to do it, and I've been purchasing the pre-cut links with a charm at the end and a lobster clasp at the other. But I mean, like, I've got lobster clasps and I've got charms so it's like, and I've got the pliers to cut them, so it really is nothing to put together a whole series of little chains that I could quickly turn into dangles. So I decided to get this set, and it's really amazing at how much variety you get. So the two most sort of useful ones definitely will be the gold and the silver, but then I've also got like this copper and maybe bronze looking material as well, which are pretty universal. Like if I was making a fall kind of dangle, could use something like these colors. The only problem is the lobster clasps I have don't have these kind of colors, but I mean, I could use anything either. I could use pins and stuff to attach them as well. So okay, so the other things that I've received are these beads, and if you know me, you know I love the color pink. I mention it quite often, and these beads are just beautiful little combination of, look at these neat ones, things that I could add to different dangle sort of projects. Look at those, are really neat. I like that pearlized and then this sort of clear pink. There's all sorts of different types. This is almost like a crystal. Not showing very well. There you go. Ooh, this little heart popped over from over here. So there's hearts, and then there's stars. And then these other little beads, these are kind of a strange, you know what these look like to me? They look like nerds. Like, they always seem like they're, they look like they are uneven, but I don't think they are. I think that was just them sitting all together. I think they are uniform, but I don't know. It's hard to tell. Anyway, a nice combination of different beads that I can use to create dangles. And then these are super cute. I really love a variety of different things, and owls has been something that I've been really fond of. When I saw these cute owls, I just wanted to give them a try. So they have a combination of silver bases and gold. That one's really cute. I like that a lot. So then there's some plain gold ones, like this. That's cute. Oh, actually, there's a whole bunch of those. Almost looks like a strawberry. Blue, white, pink. And a pink one. Cute. Anyway, there's, hey, and this matches the other materials that I just got the chains of. So those will go together. So that's nice that you get a variety of different materials and a variety of different colors to work with here. Oh, that's a pretty one. Like that. So yeah, lots of fun. So there's those. And then last but not least, we have this mixed bag. Now this is all gold, and I bought this very specifically thinking about the Valentine's Day swaps and stuff that I have coming up, and I thought it would be very useful for making different dangles. And let's take a look and see. I was just initially looking for just hearts, and then I decided, well, why limit myself to heart shapes when they have this really interesting combination? Hot air balloons, circles, stars, and hearts. So these are very light. I was just testing to see if they were metal, and I do believe that they are. And look at that. Is that a bell? And flower? Diamond? Is that no, that's a heart. Just square with a diamond inside. They will add a lot of sparkle and interest. And the thing that is nice about these as well, a lot of charms like this, you can see the back of, and then you really have to focus on how you're attaching it on a dangle. But with something like these, it doesn't matter as much because it's the same on both sides and it looks nice from all ways around. So that's like a really interesting set. So we're going to have some fun creating some different dangles and stuff with those. So thank you so much for watching. If you wanted to see the things that I make with the new products that I've got from BeeBeeCraft, go ahead and subscribe. If you're interested in purchasing any of these things, I will leave a link down below to all of the different items, as well as a discount code that they have provided for me as part of our collaboration. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time.